Hey guys, welcome back to Homebrew India. New here? Thank you for coming, and if you would like to learn more about brewing and fermenting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the new recipes which are coming up soon. Summers are at peak and all the delicious fruits are in market now. One of those fruits is mango. Let's do something with it, shall we? So this is a sequel to the apple cider recipe video which I uploaded earlier. If you haven't watched that, click on the I button or find the link in the description below. Today we will be flavoring our apple cider with mango. All the equipment that I'm using today are linked in the description below, so go have a look at that as well. And let's start brewing. Here I have a Ziploc bag in which I have about 150 grams of chopped Alfonso mango. You could use any mango, but today I am using the king of mangoes so that it gives its sweetness and rich flavor. I have frozen the bag for 24 hours. What it does is, freezing the fruit ruptures the cell wall, resulting in getting more sugar and flavor out of the fruit. Now I'll empty it in a container which will help me in pouring the mango in our cider. Remember that everything is sanitized, even the Ziploc bag prior to freezing. You can refer to the sanitization video by clicking the I button. It's a super simple yet super important step. We will remove the airlock from already fermented apple cider and keep it aside for a while. Just pour the mango carefully using a funnel. You might have to shake the funnel a few times so that the mango can go in easily. Put the airlock back on and simply shake the demijohn. We have to keep it like this for the next 3 to 4 days. In the brewing industry, this process is also known as secondary fermentation, where we have already fermented the base ingredient and we are adding a different ingredient only for flavoring. So it's been 3 days and I think our mango cider is complete. Using a sanitized funnel and a muslin cloth, we'll strain the mango cider in a different container so that we can get rid of the pulp. Once the pulp is removed, we can now bottle the mango cider. The alcohol content may have increased a bit due to the sugar present in the mangoes, but our main focus is to flavor the cider, not to increase the alcohol content. There may still be some sediment, but it does not bother me as this bottle won't last for long. So let's see how it is. The already good apple cider has now become the great mango cider. On the nose, it has a pleasing fragrance of mangoes full of sweetness. I can smell some sourness of mango and tartness of apples, but overall a very nice smell. The mango taste is perfect, neither too much nor too less. Maybe a bit of bread as well. I really like the mango cider. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also check out my Instagram for more content.